A good Kraft salad box is more than a simple food container. At Million Pack, every Kraft box starts with carefully selected food-grade paper, designed to balance strength, safety, and a natural, eco-friendly look. Inside our factory, the process includes material preparation, coating, printing, die cutting, forming, quality checking, and final packing. Each step helps make sure the box is stable, clean, and ready for daily food service use. Our Kraft salad boxes are designed for fresh salads, fruit, pasta, cold meals, light snacks, and takeaway food. The sturdy paper structure helps the box keep its shape, while the inner coating helps resist moisture and oil during short-term food contact. For restaurants, cafés, supermarkets, catering brands, and takeaway businesses, Kraft packaging also gives the product a clean and natural presentation. Million Pack supports custom sizes, logo printing, bulk production, and export packing, helping food businesses move from packaging design to finished products with reliable factory support. A Kraft salad box may look simple, but behind it is material control, production experience, and consistent quality.